Hey guys, good afternoon. This is channel. Come back to my channel. So, this is a Mitsubishi Pajero. Mitsubishi Pajero. They have a customer's complaint about the if during run in the house, they have a sounds. Sabi ko, kung baguhan na kayo sa channel ko, please subscribe my channel, Dig Channel. Ito lang sabi ko, dalawang saludo, dalawang approve, you know. Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Dig Channel. Come back to my channel. So, this is a Mitsubishi Pajero. Mitsubishi Pajero, they have a customer's complaint about the if during run in the house, they have a sounds. This channel check the problem. What is the problem? What is the cause of the sounds during the house? They are tuck like this, and also the shock absorber not release, not pump. So this channel, you see this one. So they have a leaking shock absorber finish. Okay, this one shock absorber, they have a leaking. You see, so this is the cause of problem. Only this one, but the right side no problem. Also the rear side, only this front right side the problem. This, so I advise him to the owner of this car to change this one. You see, they have a oil leak. So this is the cause of problem. So I call the customer, reception call the customer. Customer is approved this one, the change the shock absorber. So this channel will assign this one to what is the problem, what is the cause of the sounds. So this is the problem, shock absorber. Okay, this is a technical info of this channel. So this is the problem. Only this one. Okay. See, this is the cause of sounds and hummings on the hum sounds also. So this is need to change front shock absorber right side. This is Pajero that this is leaking. So customer is approved. So this one. So this is the part number of new shock absorber. Because I tell him, so need to change this one. Now approved. It is approved. I change the shock absorber and also the rubber damper. This one, rubber damper change. Also this one, lower rubber change also, because this one you see leaking. Okay, change this one also, the rubber. So this is the cause of the shock absorber complaint of the customer. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe my channel. Shout out all my friends of member of this channel. Shout out Ulysses Militon, shout out all my friend. Gritas atados mi amigo. Gritas atados mi amigo. Ulysses Militon. Hi bro. So this is Dix. Salute. Approve. This is Dix. Please subscribe channel.
You know.